Double-click on downloaded file. Click on More Info and then click on Run Anyway. Click Next. Accept the agreement and click Install. Here USB is already selected. Click on Net and from drop-down select PosBox printer or IP address. Click on Install. Printer installation is completed. Now go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you can see that PosBox printer is installed. Click on that. Click on Print Test page to check connectivity of the printer. You can also explore Preferences to make changes in the printer setting. In Paper Save, you can add or reduce extra paper after print. Cutter setting can be modified if your printer has auto cutter. In Print option, you can change speed and darkness of the printer. Hope this video was helpful.